Hello again, everyone. It's Patrick at Victory Ford in Dyersville, Iowa, 563-875-2409. And, of course, 24 hours a day at www.victoryfordonline.com. Just wanted to take a moment today to show off some new features on our website. We've got a new deal center where you can calculate your own payment, look at your trade value, get pre-qualified, just basically write your entire deal, and then you send it in. We'll review that with you, contact you, and then we can finalize it all the next day or whenever you're available. And you can do this all from the comfort of your home. So let's get started. We'll just show some of the, here's a 2016 F-150 CPO we've got. If you see some of the buttons we have now, you can request an e-price, and that'll come up. You just fill in your information. So we would get back to you with a calculated internet price. Then we can also look at payment calculators. You can put in your trade value, your down payment, where your credit falls, and it'll adjust what your monthly payment would be. So you can kind of figure that out ahead. Even figures in some rough ideas for taxes and fees. So that's one of the buttons. If you're interested and you just want more information, you can hit that interested button, and you can check for special offers, price updates. You can even buy now and confirm availability. We just ask you to give us some information so we can get back to you in a timely manner. Same way, value your trade. You can put in your trade information, and you can either look for trade-in, or if you want to sell it outright, we will always give you the opportunity to, we'll make you an offer today. The best part of that too, we'll give you a $25 gas card just for coming in so we can get a closer look at your trade too. And then of course the biggest feature, you can buy online. You can go through all these steps, vehicle interest, my trade-in, and you review your deal once you fill that all in, and we'll contact you then when the next day or our next business hour when we can. So some great features. Take an opportunity, victoryfordonline.com. Play with it, and the internet department, myself, Patrick, and Kinsey, our associate, will get back to you in a timely manner, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks. See you soon.